Hello and welcome to another update video about Litecoin. On this chart, we are still looking at this ABC correction. Problem with this chart is that the A wave was so long that the C wave is potentially going to run out of space. As explained in previous videos, it should really turn around now, or it may likely fail this particular 1-2 setup. It still has a little bit of room to the downside. I mean, the 88.80 level, as you know, that's been the relevant level for many weeks. This is a key level here. It sort of shows a reaction to it, but it is the 78.6 fib level. A drop below that, if it's a sustained drop, then typically that can lead to a failure of the setup. However, due to the length of the A wave, I did give it also a little bit more space here. The 88.7 fib level, I did add that already, I think, a couple of weeks ago, and said, look, okay, because of the length of the A wave, because the A wave and the C wave, they often stand in a certain relationship. Yeah, they are often in a certain Fibonacci relationship. And oftentimes the C wave has the same length as the A wave, or at least 61.8% of that length, okay, roughly. And if we take a look at the Fibonacci extensions, you can see that the 1-to-1 ratio, the 100% extension, basically that they have the same length, that would take straight away to $81.70. Now that is the so-called make or break point here, because we did say before that officially, formally, this setup is going to be invalidated below 81.70. I mean, it has a chance to hold that, right? We already passed the 61.8 extension level. So ideally it's turning around somewhere here. Again, below 88.80, the setup is likely going to fail, but again, it might need that 88.7 fib level at 85.45. So we did allow, and well, I made you aware it could certainly go to that level, which it might do, as it seems, because so far I haven't got any evidence that price has bottomed in this formation. So we still need to expect further downside. Below 85.45, oh dear, yeah, then it is very likely to invalidate the setup. I have to be very clear here. So we are observing this, we are watching this. Still, I think one of the more, you could say, reliable long setups at the moment in the altcoin sector. It's generally not an altcoin market right now. I have to say that also very clearly. If I have to choose between Litecoin, which basically you could say has doubled its price from November, since November, and Bitcoin, which also doubled its price since November, why would I choose altcoin? Why would I choose an altcoin that long term has been outperformed by Bitcoin? So if I've got Litecoin, the same performance short term as Bitcoin, you could say, okay, but long term, like a very, very poor performance if you compare it to Bitcoin, then yeah, I go with Bitcoin, especially as it's a Bitcoin market right now, okay? My opinion. Of course you can trade it, but I just don't see the benefit if I have a much more reliable wave structure on the Bitcoin chart, and where it actually is a Bitcoin market right now, in my opinion. Yeah, it's not an altcoin market. We know that because a lot of the altcoins are in very poor condition, you could say. No, the charts are very poor, even the ones with a solid long-term chart. So just want to highlight that. Nothing else to add. So we still need to expect a little lower at the moment, I think. And then we need to pay attention to 85.45 next. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.